the how-to guide series for content creators and influencers. Brought to you by Hashtags for Likes. Can you keep using hashtags the way you always have been? Short answer, no. Are hashtags still relevant? Absolutely. Hashtags have really evolved in the past few years, which means that the strategy that you're currently using could possibly be a bit outdated. If you're looking for a strategy for today, then here are a few things to consider. In the beginning, hashtags were used to help Instagrammers target their audiences to grow their following. Of course, we all still use them with this in mind, but now it's generally understood that hashtags don't necessarily help with getting more views. Instagram has started to expand into more SEO practices, which means they're making their platform a bit more search-friendly, like YouTube or TikTok. For instance, you can look up a key phrase on search and explore pages and posts using those keywords. For those who know a lot about SEO and have used it for their websites or businesses, it's great to see this practice being utilized on Instagram. So, if your posts are now being discovered via SEO practices, what will help you grow your audience further? There are two things that make your posts more visible: strategic use of hashtags and great content. So let's first look at using hashtags today. Hashtags are a tool that you can use to categorize your content to the algorithm, which means it might be more likely to show up in places that are searched by IG users. Instagram is then able to connect people with what they're looking for. Think of hashtags as a tool that provides context about your posts. It helps deliver content to people who are interested in a particular topic. Make sure you're using relevant hashtags. They should describe what you are. They should help describe the picture. And they should reflect your industry. Make use of our tool Hashtags for Likes to also see what's trending. Our tool can help you create your own collection of relevant hashtags and see what tags other people are using. You also need to figure out how many tags to use. So, how many hashtags? IG research shows that the highest average engagement rate by impressions is with 3 to 4 hashtags. If you like to use 5 or 6 or even the maximum of 30, that's all okay. 10, 20, or 30 hashtags, however, will not make you more likely to be discovered. It's better to pick the right ones. Use hashtags for likes to help you get there. As earlier mentioned, Instagram SEO means that if your posts are performing well, it's mostly because your content was performing well on its own. Instagram then likely started to suggest it and added it to various places. So if your ultimate goal is to rank higher in feeds and search results, your objective really should be to create quality content. So when you really think about it, it's not rocket science. Ultimately, that's why we're all here, to be seen and to be followed, because people love what you have to show or say. Be selective with your hashtags. Use a great tool to assist you, and really focus on creating the best possible content for your followers. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below to follow us here. Hashtags are a fantastic way to take your content reach to a whole new level. Now you've learned some new skills to improve your content build, remember to maximize your posts by using the right hashtags. Head over to hashtagsforlikes.co and start your campaign.